Assalamualaikum guys, my name is Mushfiqur Rahman and we are back with another video. Right guys, today we are going to make an experiment with grease. So usually grease is in car engine. So you guys know what is grease. Today we are going to make an experiment with grease. So what we do, first we are going to boil this grease, then we will throw water on this grease. So I don't know what will happen. It's my first time. So before we start our video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. So let's get started our today's video. A warning for you guys, this experiment could be dangerous, so please don't try.
This video is truly for entertainment purpose. Please don't try this at home.
Guys, we have lots of grease, black grease. So I'm going to put some grease here in this bowl. Disgusting guys, totally disgusting. Now let's hit this grease. Alright guys, you guys can see that grease is melting right now. So now I am going to hit this grease until it catches fire. Alright guys, let's see. God guys, what explosion! I was not ready for it. Oh my gosh, what explosion! That's why I really love this experiment. All experiment, I mean. Guys, I hope you guys have fun in this video. If you guys have fun, please like this video and subscribe to our channel because every like inspires me to make a video. So this is Lord of Experiment. My name is Mushfiqur and I'll catch you in the next video. So tata, bye bye.